Unlock your e-commerce potential in the UK with Printify, your gateway to a hassle-free, inventory-free print-on-demand business. Step 1 is setting up your free Printify account. Head over to Printify.com and click on the Get Started or Sign Up option. You can register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Printify dashboard. This is where the magic happens. To begin, click on Create New Design or browse their extensive product catalog. Printify offers a vast array of products, from classic shirts and hoodies to unique mugs, phone cases, and home decor, all readily available for our UK audience. Now, let's personalize your product. Upload your unique design, logo, or artwork. You can then position, resize, and even add text to perfectly complement your chosen item. Our UK customers can select products from a wide range of suppliers, ensuring fast shipping within the United Kingdom. Next, give your creation a compelling title and a detailed description. This is your chance to really sell your product story. Then, set your pricing. Printify clearly shows you the base cost, and you decide your profit margin. Remember to consider your target market and competitor pricing. The real power of Printify lies in its seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms. Connect your existing online store, whether it's Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce, by following the straightforward integration steps within your Printify account. Once connected, your custom-designed product will be automatically published to your store when a customer makes a purchase. Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your UK customer without you needing to touch inventory. That's it. With Printify, you're effectively running a print-on-demand business, offering unique products to your customers and eliminating the headaches of inventory and fulfillment. Start creating and selling today.